Hey, Joe here. I've been in real estate business for over 20 years, and I'm going to tell you something that most real estate educators would never admit. The version of real estate they're selling you, it's the hardest, most stressful, most expensive way to do it. And if you give me a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why vacant land is the simplest, least stressful way to get into real estate right now. And I wish somebody had shown me this years ago before I wasted years and years on everything else. So, hey again, my name is Joe McCall. I've been flipping land virtually for years now. No tenants, no contractors, no repairs, no drama. And I've helped students and clients like Rhea, who knew absolutely nothing about land when she started, close over $1.37 million in her very first year. But before I tell you about land, let me tell you about how I got here, because I didn't start here. I used to be a civil engineer, 60 plus hours a week. It was dark when I left for work, dark when I got home. I used to call it living in my cubic hell. I thought real estate was my way out, so I started buying rentals, single family houses. I thought I was going to be a landlord and get rich owning rental properties. But what I actually got was broken pipes at 2 a.m., tenants who wouldn't pay, costly evictions, vacancies that lasted for months, contractors who couldn't be trusted like adult daycare, property managers who couldn't manage a lemonade stand, and there was a new fire to put out every single day. And any cash flow that I thought I had, gone. Repairs, marketing, evictions, overhead, closing costs. The list never ended, so I tried everything else. Lease options, creative financing, subject to owner financing. I got into wholesaling houses. I was always hunting for that next big thing, the magic bullet. But before I knew it, I was spending more money on courses and boot camps than I was making from deals. I'd become a professional student, not a professional investor. Does that sound familiar? And then the house flipping market actually got harder, and it's still harder. Here's where things stand right now. The house flipping world is competitive. It's expensive. Hedge funds are buying up inventory at scale. They still are. You're competing with people who've been doing this for decades, with teams, with capital, with connections that you don't have yet. And that's not a fair fight. And I don't like unfair fights, right? Here's a number that floored me. Right now, there's about 37,000 active house investors in the U.S. looking for deals. And there's only about 5,000 or 7,000 active land investors right now. That means there are 7 times more vacant lots available per investor than there are houses. 7 times. So the competition isn't just less, it's not even close. Vacant land is a completely different game. Vacant land has no structures on it, nothing to fix, nothing to maintain, nobody living on it, making demands at 11 o'clock at night. You heard the saying, right? No tenants, no toilets, no trash, no termites. That's not just a catchy phrase, that's literally true. And it's not just fewer of those problems, it's 0 of them. And when you remove those problems, you remove the contractors, the property managers, the inspectors, the city, the realtors, all of it, gone. So who are we buying from? Regular people, folks who inherited their land from their grandparents or their parents, someone who bought a lot 5-10 years ago thinking they would build on it and they never did. People who've been paying property taxes on something they've never even visited. I talked to one seller who recently told me, I've been paying taxes on this thing for 15 years and I can't even remember what it looks like. So just make me an offer. That's who we're dealing with, right? They just want it gone. They're not negotiating hard. They're not looking for top dollar. They're motivated, they're ready, and they're everywhere. So we come in, we buy land at 40, 50 cents on the dollar, we flip it, we collect the spread. Now here's the part that people never believe me until they actually see it. The whole thing runs virtually. You never visit the property ever. You're not driving around looking at lots, you're not meeting sellers in person, you're not hiring anyone to walk the land. You're doing this from a laptop, from your kitchen table, or wherever you are right now. I've done deals from a coffee shop, from hotel rooms, from the road. My teenage boys did over $153,000 in 18 months flipping vacant land from our laptop on a kitchen table. And we did it all online. We never saw the land that we sold. And I did that specifically because I wanted my kids involved. I needed something so simple that a teenager could do it. And that's exactly what this is. Most people in real estate are fighting over the same competitive, crowded, expensive piece of pie. Same properties, same markets, same headaches, same sleepless nights, worrying about tenants and contractors and financing and repairs. But land is a completely different game. Almost nobody is sitting at that table yet. No tenants, no toilets, no termites, no trash. No competing with guys who have 10 times your budget and 20 years more experience, right? Number 2, no 2 a.m. calls about broken pipes, no contractors to ghost you, no evictions, no vacancies, none of it. Just a simple, repeatable system that you can run from home, one that my teenage kids do, one that students with 0 real estate experience are using right now to close real deals. Listen, I've been in this game for a long time. I've tried everything. Buy and hold rentals, house flipping, wholesaling, subject twos, lease options, you name it, I've done it. And land is one that I keep on coming back to, not because it's perfect, but because it's simple, and simple scales. So if you've been trying to figure out how to get into real estate and you've been at it and you're just exhausted, stick with me here. I'm going to show you exactly how this stuff works, step by step. No fluff, No hype, just the real thing.